Ramos. I'm a firefighter with Kingman Fire Department. This is by Captain Garcia, my engineer Cesar Quintana. And today, for Cook Like a Firefighter Challenge, we're going to be making Birria. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Birria quesadillas. And so basically our main goal when we're making this meal is we want to make the best food we can make for as many guys as we can, as fast as we can. So for this, we're going to be cooking these roasts in Instapots, and we have a lot of good seasonings in here.
The key to a good birria is always having quality ingredients. So first we got the cross rib roast, and next we're going to use all these dried chilies and dry ingredients. So first we got New Mexico dried chili pods, some oregano, cumin, and some bay leaves. And some garlic and some onions. Alright, for your New Mexico chilies, you want to break the tail off and then throw it in your boiling water here. So while you get your chilies hydrated again, you start preparing your beef. So what I usually do is I cut it in half so it fits in our Instapot. And then once it's cut in half, you just throw it in the Instapot and we move on to the next step.
So for seasoning, we got a little bit of this chicken bouillon. We're just going to season it generously. Not too much because you don't want to be too salty, but just right. So we're gonna mix our seasoning in with the meat. Let our peppers boil down, and while we do that, we're gonna prep our onions, cilantro, and cheese.
Alright, so now that our peppers are done boiling, we're going to get them out of the hot water. We're going to put them in our blender here. Now we got our chilies in, got a little sprinkle of oregano, a little sprinkle of cumin, and some more of that chicken bouillon.
Ooh, that chicken bouillon.
Alright, with the hot peppers, it's important that you get some cold water so when we pour this on the raw meat, it doesn't start cooking the meat before it's time to cook. So once you got your ingredients, you got your blender filled up with water there, you just start blending it and that'll be your base of your sauce for your birria.
Make sure to give it a little taste test first before you season all your meat.
Need a little more. Alright, so now we got our base for our birria here. We're going to pour it over our meat and start the cooking process here. Alright, now that we got our base in there, now we add a couple more things to add a little flavor and aroma to it. We got some bay leaves, onion, and garlic. You're just going to throw it right in the water there.
Okay, now we got all our meat, all our ingredients, our birria sauce in there. Just gonna turn these on pressure cook. Put it on high. Set your time for 60 minutes. Hit start. Also, you gotta make sure that on the knobs they're both sealed, and let it go until it's done.
So now our meat's been cooking in here for about an hour and a half. So we're just gonna come up here and just open this lid
Whoa,
right
hold
now.
on there, buddy.
Whoa, what's up?
Safety first, all right? Safety minute. Always have a glove, an oven mitt, and something to open the steam with when using an Instapot.
Oh,
There you go,
okay.
pal.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, so now the beef is done cooking, the birria is done. We're gonna take some pieces of fat out that didn't render out and get it ready for quesadillas.
Now we build the masterpiece.
This.
Butter that
Hold on.
pan up. Cook that tortilla.
Final product.